a tutorial without dropping something. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and conditioned hair, split into 4 sections. I'm going to use the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner and detangle each section, and then brush it up in the general direction of the top knot it's going into later. Once the section has been thoroughly detangled and brushed up, I'm just going to pin it in place and then move on. So now that my hair is brushed back into this ponytail, it's looking pretty dry. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a little more of that leave-in and just put it on the perimeter of that ponytail, and then brush it up. Whew.
It's hot.
So the next thing I'm doing is just adding EcoStyler to it, and then I'm going to continue to brush it up so that it's nice and sleek and there's no tangles. Okay, so it's looking pretty okay right now. It's looking like it's about ready to be put in the top knot, but and then of course I have like little pieces that are too short to go all the way in there that I kind of have to brush up and like put a lot of EcoStyler on. But yeah, it's looking good. I want to go through because my hair is
dry, real dry.
It's really dry and still in some areas. I want to go through one more time and kind of brush out some sections, and then I'll go ahead and kind of try to put it in bun formation. So something that I really constantly struggle with is like little like straggly pieces of like shorter hairs, like right here. These are like my edges that don't go all the way back into the ponytail. They just constantly are like trying to fuzz up. So what I do is, and this is how I refresh my buns, ponytails, everything. Also, it could be 3 days from now and it would be, you know, my hair would be looking like a little dry, looking a little lifeless, a little stragglies and like fuzzies popping up. I literally just take my spray bottle, spray this area with water, the entire perimeter. Then I take a little bit of my leave-in, whatever leave-in I want, any leave-in works. But yeah, rub it on my hands and then put it around the perimeter. Don't worry about the white residue. That will go away as it dries. This one is a hard brush, but this one is the harder brush. So I first take the hard brush, okay? Brush it, brush all that hair. And then you see as I'm brushing, the white residue kind of goes away a little bit. Then I take my heart and soul. I don't know what I would do without this EcoStyler. This is my favorite one of all of them. For my hair personally, has the most hold. But yeah, I'm gonna take this, slather it. Literally, like, this is how much I'm using, and this is probably only just gonna go up on the top. Slather it. Okay, where they at? The little stragglies. They're gone. Oh, a little bit over here. If you see some, that just means you need to add more EcoStyler. Boom. Okay. Then I didn't do the back. Let me get the back real quick. The back doesn't really need as much because when I wrap it, it usually can stay pretty secure. Okay. And then I'm gonna take either my hard brush or my harder brush. My scalp is kind of in pain right now because I've been brushing so hard. So I'm gonna use just the hard brush and brush that all up as well. Just one more time. So now while everything's laid down, I'm gonna act fast. I'm gonna grab my wrap and put it on just so that it is already holding like I want it to. I think I'm gonna twist it up overnight. And these are not like real serious twists. Just something to keep my hair from just like really stretching overnight. So that's good enough. I do have some that like didn't make it, which is fine. Like I said, it's all going in a bun. So overnight, I guess I'll just wrap these around and put a rubber band on them. Like so. And then in the morning, we'll figure the rest out. So it is the next day and I've got my bonnet on. I am ready to, I guess, finish out this hairstyle. So I'm gonna take all the wraps off. I am going to first take this down and let all my twists loose. I usually just wrap around like this till I have this desired shape that I want. I'm just going to grab a bobby pin. I'll fix the top part later. I just want to kind of have something secure. So we have our bobby pin in there, and then this top part. And I usually like my buns to be taller, so I'm going to try to kind of, sometimes all it takes is just like a little push like that, and then I'm gonna try to work these pieces out somehow up here. And then just putting pins where I feel like I need a little more security. So this shape's pretty cool with me. From the side, I wish it was a little more tall, but there we go, that's better. And then don't be afraid to just stick a pin like up here, because you really can't even see it. I have a few up there, you really can't notice them. Especially if you get bobby pins that like are closer to your hair color. Ugh. There we go. She's laying flat and I want her to be up like this. So there we go. I like it. Okay, cool. So now I kind of have the shape I like and it's sitting how I want it to. Now it is time to do my edges. Okay, there we have it. We're just gonna leave it like that. And now I'm going to put my wrap back on for a little while longer. Okay, and I will be back shortly. Okay, so it's been like 10 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, things are looking pretty good. Looking very sleek. This is what the final look is. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can follow me on all social media at AVANAAAH, and that's also going to be in the description. So I will see y'all next time.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
And bye-bye.
I forgot.
They told me to be good
TF.
tonight.
Dot. I'm out.